What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to send disappearing photos in Telegram. Unlike regular photo messages that stay in the chat, disappearing photos can only be viewed once before they automatically vanish. This is a great way to share temporary or private images without leaving a lasting trace. First, open the Telegram app and navigate to the chat where you want to send the disappearing photo. Once inside the chat, tap on the paperclip icon in the message box. This will bring up sharing options. Now, if you want to send a photo from your gallery, tap on Gallery in the bottom left. If you prefer taking a new photo, tap on the camera preview and either take a picture or a video. After capturing or selecting your media, you will have the option to make edits at the bottom if needed. To make the photo disappear after one view, look to the right of the Add a Caption field. You will see a small 1 icon inside a circular timer. Tap on it and a menu will appear with the option to select View Once. Choose this and then tap Send. Once sent, the recipient can open the photo only one time, and after they close it, the image will disappear permanently from the chat. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.